Hey everybody, Justin Scener here. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use AI to create the perfect Shopify product photos. This is really powerful. We're going to jump right into it. And there's no doubt product photos are super important, and I'll teach you how to do this the exact right way. And it really doesn't matter what you're selling. Of course, you need to make sure your product photos look really good, high quality, high converting, engaging to the customer. Right? These are things that every single store needs to focus on. And the best part about when you focus on product imagery is that it very quickly leads to more sales. Oftentimes, product photos are one of the most important decision-making points in your entire product page. So perfecting product imagery is going to lead to great results. And a really popular strategy is to use xdesign. It's an AI-powered photo editing studio, and it's going to help you create the highest converting product photos possible. I'm going to show you over the shoulder in this video. And if you want to make the best product photos, you might run into some pain points because there's no built-in way to do this with Shopify. You're going to need to use an app, and the app must be super easy to use and require no prior technological skill. You don't need to be some type of photo editing expert in order to use this. And really, most importantly, the app must leverage AI to enhance imagery, remove backgrounds, retouch images, change colors, and create AI mock-up models. Really cool. And again, I'll show you this all over the shoulder with the xdesign tool. I highly recommend it. You see the link directly below this video. Again, we're going to go over the shoulder. I'll show you just how this works. In fact, here we go over here, x-design.com. It's an AI-powered photo editing studio, and it's got all these different tools here. I'm going to show you, walk you through some really cool ones and different ways to create enhancements and different sharpenings, background removers, image enhancers, background generators, object removers, upscalers, ads, promos, all these different things built in, all done with AI and really, really easy to use. All you need to do to jump into it is click on the link that's directly below this video. You'll be able to sign up. I already have my account. I'm logged in here. And I'm going to show you some really awesome examples of what you could do here and how you're going to really take your store's product photography to the next level with xdesign. Let me show you some of the really cool AI tools here, and we'll get started with the background remover. All we need to do, we're going to go ahead and click upload an image. I'm going to go ahead and upload one of our product images over here. And this is really powerful. It's going to immediately cut out the background here. Really cool, obviously, and allows us to do a lot more with an image without a background, right? We have that done immediately, right? Ready to go. We could download it in Ultra HD, the about 3000 by 4000 size. So really huge resolution. But when we see over here, there's a lot more things we can do. First of all, we can adjust the ratio for different sizes. So we can go and make it a Shopify size or a Temu size or Lazada or Poshmark or Facebook Marketplace, really wherever you're selling, you could adjust the ratio. You can create new backgrounds as well, right? We removed a background. Maybe we want to add a different type of background. Maybe we think red is stronger, or maybe our brand color is this nice green, right? We can go ahead and do something like that. But what I really like is being able to come right over here, and you see our product image right here without the background. We now have all these templates that we can select. And we have ones that have text, promotions, right? We can go and click edit on any of these, and this will actually allow us to now create this template, edit it based on the removed background image that we just did. So we see this right over here, and we'll get our new design over here based on the template. And remember, we already removed the background from our product photo, so it's going to bring that in automatically. Right? And of course, we can move it around, we can make it bigger, we can change everything. Let's say it's 10% off, or let's say we want to change the font, make it bold, or change the underline or italic, or change the color, right? We could do all that right inside here. Super easy to do, of course. So really kind of this extrapolates on itself. This tool is really powerful. Let's say you do, you start off with background removal. You could immediately jump into all these different templates, different background colors, different sizes. So really powerful when it comes to that. And again, there's a lot of different tools. Image enhancers is a really good one as well. Basically take an image, enhance it, make it a lot bigger. AI background generator. If you have one without an image, you can go ahead and add an image onto the background, and highly recommend you go ahead and play with these demos so you can see exactly what's going on with these tools and how you're going to be able to, in this case, remove the background from the original and now go ahead and add your own background. Maybe we want to do, actually we'll come up here and press fabrics, and these are really good for e-commerce. You see a couple different styles here, and I'll go with this nice one. Yeah, that looks good. And we'll click generate, and it will just take a couple seconds. This is now going to turn this image into an AI generated version, And we'll see over here, since we selected this nice little fuzzy background over here, this white background, we're going to get our product placed directly on top of it using AI. And you see we have a couple different options over here, and we can take a look over here. You see it really nicely placed. The shadows automatically added over there, a couple different variations over here as well. So really, really easy to get it going here. And you see we have this kind of premium look now with our product. But now I want to show you the mockups. We'll come over here, and we have two different types of mockups. We have the AI model mannequin, the AI model flat lay, and then we come over here. I'll show you exactly how this works. So it's really cool because it's going to identify, and I was already messing around with one, it's going to identify basically what should be changed. And I'll go over here and use this as an example. You're going to see it automatically highlights the wearable parts of this outfit. And if you wanted to include things like shoes as well, you could simply highlight them as well. You see the green highlighter. We can basically select manually here in terms of what we want to be changed over into different mockups. So really a kind of two-step process here. We have what's going to be the mockup here in terms of what is our product, right? We have our basically our sweatsuit outfit over here. Now, step two, we need to select our model. And you can come over here, you can select up to 4 models at a time. Let's say you only want to find male, and you want to find ones with deep skin tone, and you want to find middle-aged, right? You could literally do all those different breakdowns right over here. I'll just show you all the different ones that are available. And how about we come down here and we pick this guy. And you can even customize the model over here. You could have him smile, laugh, looking cool, right? Really just depends on how you want to do it. We can come over here now, select our background, and there's going to be different backgrounds that we'll be combining here. You could even just have a basic background. We have a bedroom style, we have outdoor patio, we have bathroom, we have nice little house, and you can see there's a lot more here. All these different styles. You see one outdoor. I really like this one with the plant in the background, nice high-end clean look. So you pick your settings over here in terms of scenes and model. Of course, you select your wearable mock-up here in terms of what's going to be shown. All we need to then do is press generate. And this is really cool because when we press generate, everything is going to happen in the background here. The AI is going to work. It's going to remove the actual clothing, and it's going to place it on this brand new model. And it's just going to take a couple seconds. I'll show you exactly how this looks when it's done. And look at that. Just like we set up here with our nice background with the plant, we selected our new model. I'll show you over here. Original, final result. I mean, look at that. That is high quality right here when it comes to actually producing a really, really cool AI-driven model mock-up here. And you could do this over and over and over. Different backgrounds, different colors, different models, different even face settings, right? We can have them be cool or smiling, laughing, right? The options are literally endless, and you see different variations here as well. You could pick whichever one you want. You see the plants are kind of in different areas, different shading, different color shoes, and all these different options. If you've actually noticed some detail here with shoes, these are all white, right? Really cool here, all done by AI, and the AI model mannequin, highly recommended for your Shopify stores. We also have the AI model flat lay, and this is cool. Literally, it's going to transform your clothing, and really powerful here because we're going to be able to customize this. I'll show you exactly how this works. Let's say you have a flat type of image, and these are typical with print on demand. So really kind of your common mock-up generations. You might get some of these in your store. Look what we can do and transform this with flat lay, right? We have the product out here, just a normal kind of just laid out right on a background. Doesn't even matter what style background it is. And we'll go ahead and select some models. We'll go ahead and select our location. I'll do this. I'll do this outdoor one. I like this right here. Do a nice pink, and we'll generate this one. Right, flat lying image, going to be turned into a model mockup. And this is why xDesign is so powerful. Look at what we've just generated here from a flat lying basic image of our jumpsuit here. We selected the model, and now we have even the background selected. You see it all done. A couple different variations over here. Super, super high quality. The flat lay into the model mockup. This is something that you could use literally every single product in your store. Absolutely will be upgraded if you use xDesign, especially in the way that I'm showing you. Another really cool feature, the image color changer. We're literally going to be able to change, you see, the color, let's say, of our garments or our products. So we'll come over here. I'll select this red backpack over here, really good example. And the AI is going to pick out the product over here. And now it's going to say, okay, here is the selected product. What color would you like? And, we had this little kind of red over here. How about we just, for example's sake, make it a neon green, right? You see how you could change it to any color. How about an olive, right? Or a lavender or a blue or a lighter blue, right? You see the ability to do that. You could even adjust the image over here and kind of change it so you could fine tune that exact shade in terms of exposure, contrast, right? You see the change over here, highlighting it up a little bit so it looks a little brighter. Really cool here. And again, super simple. You can select any color that you want, right? Any color that you want. And the really cool thing is here, if you notice this, it actually identifies different parts of this image and, you know, background, headwear, skin, outer, right? All these different things. And guess what? We could change the color of those as well, right? So we could literally do it individually over here, all powered by AI. Just a few clicks and you have fully customized images over here. So come over here, bag, and I'll go green, right? Really powerful, and I'll generate that image with AI. So that was xDesign, as you saw, incredibly easy to use, also super powerful. All these AI image tools are going to help make the best product photos on your store. And this is perfect if you're a Shopify print-on-demand store. You can create some unbelievable mock-ups here and unbelievable product images. You could even use these for your product ads. If you're a dropshipping store, you could take your basic stock images, right, your basic dropship images, and completely transform them with the AI tools here with xDesign. If you have any type of physical product, you can make it look so much better here because of all the different AI image tools. It doesn't matter what you're selling. This is going to work for you. Really a must-have. You see all the different templates and everything. Super easy to jump into it. So click on the link directly below this video. Highly recommended. I hope xDesign helps you take your store to the next level and help you make some money. And I'll talk to you real soon. If you have any questions at all, leave a comment. I'll do my best to answer each and every one of them. Hope you have a good one. Take care.